Nikola Tesla, born July 9th or 10th, 1856, Smiljan, Austrian Empire, now in Croatia, died January 7th, 1943, New York, New York, U.S., was a Serbian-American inventor and engineer who discovered and patented the rotating magnetic field, the basis of most alternating current machinery. He also developed the three-phase system of electric power transmission. He immigrated to the United States in 1884 and sold the patent rights to his system of alternating current dynamos, transformers, and motors to George Westinghouse. In 1891, he invented the Tesla coil, an induction coil widely used in radio technology. Tesla was from a family of Serbian origin. His father was an Orthodox priest. His mother was unschooled but highly intelligent. As training for an engineering career, he attended the Technical University at Graz, Austria, and the University of Prague. At Graz, he first saw the Gram dynamo, which operated as a generator and, when reversed, became an electric motor, and he conceived a way to use alternating current to advantage. Later, at Budapest, he visualized the principle of the rotating magnetic field and developed plans for an induction motor that would become his first step toward the successful utilization of alternating current. In 1882, Tesla went to work in Paris for the Continental Edison Company, and, while on assignment to Strasbourg in 1883, he constructed, after work hours, his first induction motor. Tesla sailed for America in 1884, arriving in New York with 4 cents in his pocket, a few of his own poems, and calculations for a flying machine. He first found employment with Thomas Edison, but the two inventors were far apart in background and methods, and their separation was inevitable. In May 1888, George Westinghouse, head of the Westinghouse Electric Company in Pittsburgh, bought the patent rights to Tesla's polyphase system of alternating current dynamos, transformers, and motors. The transaction precipitated a titanic power struggle between Edison's direct current systems and the Tesla-Westinghouse alternating current approach, which eventually won out. Tesla soon established his own laboratory, where his inventive mind could be given free rein. He experimented with shadowgraphs similar to those that later were to be used by Wilhelm Röntgen when he discovered X-rays in 1895. Tesla's countless experiments included work on a carbon button lamp, on the power of electrical resonance, and on various types of lighting. In order to allay fears of alternating currents, Tesla gave exhibitions in his laboratory in which he lit lamps by allowing electricity to flow through his body. He was often invited to lecture at home and abroad. The Tesla coil, which he invented in 1891, is widely used today in radio and television sets and other electronic equipment. That year also marked the date of Tesla's U.S. citizenship. Westinghouse used Tesla's alternating current system to light the world's Columbian Exposition at Chicago in 1893. This success was a factor in their winning the contract to install the first power machinery at Niagara Falls, which bore Tesla's name and patent numbers. The project carried power to Buffalo by 1896. In 1898, Tesla announced his invention of a tele-automatic boat, guided by remote control. When skepticism was voiced, Tesla proved his claims for it before a crowd in Madison Square Garden. Tesla allowed himself only a few close friends. Among them were the writers Robert Underwood Johnson, Mark Twain, and Frances Marion Crawford. He was quite impractical in financial matters and an eccentric, driven by compulsions and a progressive germ phobia. But he had a way of intuitively sensing hidden scientific secrets and employing his inventive talent to prove his hypotheses. After Tesla's death, the custodian of alien property impounded his trunks, which held his papers, his diplomas and other honors, his letters, and his laboratory notes. These were eventually inherited by Tesla's nephew, Sava Kosanovich, and later housed in the Nikola Tesla Museum in Belgrade. Hundreds filed into New York City's Cathedral of St. John the Divine for his funeral services, and a flood of messages acknowledged the loss of a great genius. 3 Nobel Prize recipients addressed their tribute to one of the outstanding intellects of the world who paved the way for many of the technological developments of modern times. In 2003, American entrepreneurs Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning founded Tesla Inc., the manufacturer of electric automobiles, solar panels, and batteries, in honor of the inventor. Tesla Inc. quickly became one of the most recognizable car brands in the world.